Here is another important idea to think about in practicing Tai Chi, and it's very challenging to get right. At least for me, even after 27 years, I still don't quite have it. So let's try it together. It's called head suspended. So it's an idea in Tai Chi that you should be straight with the head as though suspended from above. That's the #1 principle of Tai Chi practitioners that they're working on, they have to follow. And I'm starting to pull on my hair because the suspension is not something from the front of the head. So often when we are learning Tai Chi and the teacher says, lift your head as though suspended, the chin goes up. And it's like, well, no, it's not that. But then likewise, it's not really the other with the chin down and the neck perfectly straight or stiff. Another way to think about it that I've used that might help you is you think of it as having the head be light so that you're not tense in the neck and that you're allowing your head to balance over your frame. So let's try this for a second and see what happens. Separate the feet about shoulder width. Bend the knees just a little bit. We're not going down low, just a little bit so your knees are soft. Sway a little bit back and forth and feel equally balanced on the balls versus the heels of your feet. And then feel relaxation in your stomach. It's okay if your stomach goes out a little bit as it relaxes, don't hold it in. And then relax your arms to your side. And then just feel lightness with your head. Turn it back and forth a little bit. That'll be a good indication that you are not tense in the neck and shoulders as much. And then start to gain a sense of where the head should be positioned. You can do a little nod back and forth. And a little left and right. Even a little side to side. And then think about this idea and come back to it even when you're not practicing Tai Chi, when you're just standing in line or waiting for something, just any kind of random situation. Just stop and relax and try your head suspended.